The Müller Group. For more than a century, the family enterprise has successfully written history. For decades, the company has proved to be very adaptive. The Müller Group has diversified, specialized and made innovations in the packaging industry time and time again. Thanks to a solid management and highest quality demands, the family enterprise could keep going on the road to success. Together with solid and loyal employees, customers and suppliers, the tinsmith workshop of Ernst Müller became over generations an international industrial enterprise. Customer satisfaction is the ultimate objective. All activities are geared towards the best benefit for the customer. The Müller Group, headquartered in Münchenstein, has two divisions: industrial packaging and systems handling and cleaning. The division Industrial Packaging includes Müller fiber, plastic and steel. They produce packaging from kraftliner, polyethylene and steel. All factories comply with the quality management systems EN ISO 9001-2008 that guarantee the highest class of all products. Müller Fiber produces in Münchenstein packaging from kraftliner for the transportation of solids and bulk goods. Principal customers are the chemical, pharmaceutical, food and plastic industry. The products of Müller Fiber are cost-effective, environmentally friendly, stable and safe. The open head drums made of kraftliner are produced with a capacity from 12 liters to a maximum volume of 250 liters. There are various types available: standard, weatherproof, colored, inside and outside covered with polyethylene or aluminum. The kraftliner glue can be fully recycled and is therefore no environmental burden. Thanks to high flexibility, mixed consignments and short periods of delivery are no problem for Müller Fiber. The simple handling of fiber packaging allows an easy manipulation of all kinds of bulk solids. The open head drums of Müller Fiber are UN type approved for the transportation of dangerous goods via road, rail, sea or by air. Müller Plastic in Muttenz produces jerry cans, tight head drums and bottles out of high molecular weight polyethylene. They are available with a capacity from 3 to 60 liters. The range of distributed products with open head drums and IBCs up to 1500 liters capacity completes the choice of products. The main market is in the chemical, pharmaceutical, flavor and fragrance industry. Also in the field of food, mineral oil, colors, lacquer and cleaning. The packaging for dangerous liquid goods and also tailor-made solutions are produced with a state-of-the-art extrusion blow molding process. Müller Plastic is specialist for jerry cans with a barrier layer. These products are available under the trade name Baritainer Sealar RB or Multican, made with a 6-fold coax layer process added by an antistatic surface. This procedure avoids the permeation of volatile material out of the packaging. The extrusion blow molding process is extremely environmentally friendly. The punching waste is being recycled as raw material in a closed circuit and can be reused. Our experts advise and develop to meet customer-specified requirements. The packaging made of synthetic material has a lot of advantages. It is lightweight, provides a big variety of shapes, and has no risk of corrosion. The manufacturing sites of Müller Plastic are provided with recovery systems. The buildings are heated without additional energy or other environmental harm. All products of Müller Plastic are quality tested. They are UN type approved for the transportation of dangerous goods. The production environment also fulfills the high hygiene requirements for the production of food packaging. The products of Müller Plastic are not only sold for external use. They are also utilized within the Müller Group at the sister company Müller Steel. For example, the inserted PE containers of composite for steel drums. Müller Steel, with factories in Münchenstein and Rheinfelden, produces tight head and open head drums in various sizes and variations. In the chemical, pharmaceutical, flavor and fragrances, food, mineral oil, colors and lacquer industries, the steel drums are important objects in daily business. They are used for storage and transportation of challenging and sensitive materials. The Müller Steel factories fabricate tight head and open head drums with a capacity of up to 240 liters. The designs are cylindrical or tapered. Systems for the discarding of residues, high-quality coats of lacquer, open-head drums for containerization and composite drums are the specialty of Müller Steel. Thanks to its wide range of goods, Müller Steel is a reliable partner for individual solutions. With in-house design engineering, machine and tool making, the Müller Steel is enormously flexible in producing to a constant quality and able to fulfill specific customer demands. Müller Steel works to the hygienic standards DIN EN 15593/2008. All products of Müller Steel are UN type approved for the transport of dangerous goods. The steel drums are very ecologically worthwhile because they can be recycled after being used. They can be reused or returned as scrap steel in the steel production process. At Müller Steel, with the factories in Münchenstein and Rheinfelden, the discharge air containing solvents coming from the paint shop is disposed of by a thermal treatment. The waste heat is used for the heating of the production halls. The second business area of Müller Group consists of the three sectors: systems, handling and cleaning. Müller Handling, Müller Systems and Müller Cleaning specialize in drum and container manufacturing, handling and cleaning systems. Stainless steel is used exclusively. Müller Handling in Münchenstein is responsible for the production of mobile and stationary handling systems, blenders, transporting and palletization systems. Here, the fabrication is arranged according to customer specifications. Müller Handling transfers and transports in an ecologically friendly manner. Thanks to the high reliability and professional expertise of the engineers and technicians, Müller Handling guarantees the quality of every single product. The complete customer solutions are delivered to medium-sized and large enterprises in the sectors food, non-food, pharma, warehousing and logistics. With its long experience, the company develops all the automation systems for production in all factories of the Müller Group too. The cooperation with Müller Systems in Rheinfelden is especially close. The well-established columns, lifting and inverting equipment and blenders find a perfect use with the drums and containers made of stainless steel. Müller Systems distribute the machines of Müller Handling all over the world. Product handling with reliability, made of stainless steel. This is the domain of Müller Systems. With practice-oriented solutions for individual demands, Müller Systems satisfies customers from the pharmaceutical, cosmetics, chemical and food industry. In addition to a large standard of barrels, containers and hoppers which can be delivered on demand, there are also many products manufactured according to special customer designs. At Müller Systems, not only high-tech laser and bend techniques are used, but also the traditional workbench has a permanent place. Skilled engineering workers realize individual customer requests with a sense of personal responsibility. From the idea and the solution all the way to delivery, whether it is either as a single piece or a mass production. The whole team of Müller System is responsible for the worldwide famous and appreciated Müller quality, which is achieved every day anew. Müller Cleaning Solutions is your partner and manufacturer for cleaning devices for your requirements in the pharmaceutics, diagnostics, food and chemical industries. It projects, designs and implements devices for customized cleaning requirements, focusing on tools, auxiliary material and packing material for production purposes. Experts with long-standing knowledge in the fields of design and production ensure best quality. Every cleaning device made by Müller Cleaning Solutions follows FDA, CGMP regulations as well as EHEDG hygiene design standards. Müller Cleaning Solutions sets a high value on innovation. All cleaning devices are innovative batch washers. The liquid cleaning steps use recirculation, and after each phase the device is fully drained. Due to permanent research and in-house development, energy efficiency, environmental compatibility and low water consumption have become standard long ago. The devices are distinguished by good manufacturing, user-friendly interface and simple handling. Müller Cleaning Solutions is the answer to your validation of each cleaning process. And that's it. All from one source. The Müller Group. From standard solutions to small series and even single-unit productions, the Müller Group reacts and functions in a flexible manner, dynamically, precisely and reliably. Behind the established Müller quality, there is not only every single employee, but also 6 experienced enterprises which work hand in hand. The sum of all that experience has been added over the years to the quality and reliability of the family enterprise. Thanks to its ecologically innovative production systems, the Müller Group is a prime example of environmental friendliness. With its long-sightedness, the Müller Group stays aim-oriented and writes already today the success story of tomorrow.